afternoon, folks, Sunday afternoon. Now look at this. This is Taurus and that's Warris, the bulls from Spain. Look at that, Taurus and Warris. They've been keeping me company the last couple of days. By here, look, they're even eating the soil. I've put out a bucket of soil for them to eat. Now come on, eat that, Taurus and Warris. Anyway, never mind that. Come here. This is for break at night. Right, break. That's the space that I work with for that, right? Measuring tape. Right, I like quite a good overlap, right? So I put that there like that, top and bottom, and every 7th board I correct it with the spirit level, right? So if you see that there, that's 120 to 122, right? 122, right? Just under 5 inches. And now, there's how I make them, right? I've even done this for you, Brett. Teach you right, son, I'll learn you, Brett. 2 bits of wood, I glue that. Once I glue it, I put the nail through with the nail gun, then I grind it, and that's it. It's easy as that. That wood is 40 by 10 length scrap wood. And that's how I make these spaces, right? And then this here, Brett, is another thing for you to do, right? What's this, Brett? What's this I make here, right? What's that for, right? That there, right? Here's the clue. Wait a minute, wait a minute, right? Wait a thing, you see that there? You don't use one compressor and ruin the filament schedule here, right? And that goes without the shape, right? So, brave at night, feather info. If you want more info about this process, let me know, right? And I'll do it for you, Brett. Only you, Brett. Redistribution of wealth in the head, Brett. Okay, now, a couple of hellos to a great, ever-growing band of followers. Hello to Darren Houston, right? I'm out to him the other night there at the Lucky Star, and his lovely dog, Shasha, right? They might want to go a walk with Doris and Morris, eh? Taurus and Morris, no Doris. Right, there you go, I'm getting tongue-tied. And then hello to Jacqueline Kelly from Prestwick. Lovely meeting you there, Jacqueline. And also, it was lovely meeting an old friend many years back, Dinks Hepburn. I met him at Aldi's yesterday. Lovely to see you, Dinks. I hope everything goes well for you, pal. You're looking fit for me as far as I'm concerned. And then, I was out there getting my diary. And hello Laura Dodds, hello to you. So it's kind of like, hello, it's the morning man show, Lou Grant. There you go. If any of you remember Lou Grant. But that's what it's all about. If I meet you, come up and I'll give you a shout, no bother at all. I'll keep you up to date with tips. There's my stopper there, we can round this corner here, see that there? Woof! Right, so there you go, Brett. And everybody else. And I'll just give you all one final wee shout to Darren, to Jacqueline, to Dinks, and to Laura. See you all there, folks.